car and diss on me because they think like I'm the bad guy because I'm in the cab and those guys go to the old port. So this guy's been with a lot of women, and I haven't been with a lot of women because I've been in cabs for 17 years. Yes, I have a lot of money. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I haven't had a lot of women. Okay, and I'm mad because the girls down there, they go for these jerk offs that they see in a bar, and they could be the worst guy. But they'll still go from not knowing the guy either robbed the cab driver or they don't know much about these guys. I'm not saying they go home and sleep with them the first night, but some do. And they'll like diss you in the taxi and think you're a bad, sketchy, scary dude. Even I'm not sketchy, but scary. But I mean,
do you pick up people at the strip club? What's your best and worst story? Let's hear this.
Oh Jesus, man! What do you mean?
Turn the lights off. Let's hear the best and worst story.
The worst story is a robbery. My face getting wrecked.
What's the best story? You ever had anyone fuck in the back of your cab?
A long time ago, maybe, but not very often.
Really?
No.
This disappoints me. Every time I'm in a taxi with someone, I'm like, "What's your best story?" And I want to hear like 3 strippers with this random dude doing coke off their tits. Like that's what I want to fucking hear. Make up a story for me so I can hear it.
I don't know. Jesus, I mean, there's a bunch of stuff, bad stuff that's happened. You mean good stuff? You mean?
Good stuff.
To
like
me, or good stuff?
We're talking about like vagina in your face. Anything?
I had a. Well, I mean, once I had a really pretty blonde woman to kiss in the car, but I told her I wouldn't do it because I had a girlfriend. This girl was with for 4 years, and a girl up cheating on me, left me for a military guy, and I was fucking mad, so that's why I
Gosh,
quit.
you haven't had a lot of good things.
I just quit for 2.5 years, and I was really mad. This girl made me such a bad mood. I just got back to work 9 months ago. But besides that, I had a girl want me to suck her ear once in the cab. I did that, some hot girl, because it was some college sorority thing. I don't know. That's about it for crazy girls are taking their clothes off in the cab back in the day, all their clothes off. I mean, that's about it. Nothing great.
Gosh, you haven't had a lot of good things.
We let you get back to work.
I don't really do stuff like I'm not sketchy. I don't ask women to do stuff. I'm not like
No,
that.
of course not.
But I think a girl should ask me out in the cab. I tell everybody in the cab I'm single and I have no kids. I'm not married. I don't take drugs. I don't drink and I don't smoke.
Yeah.
I would think some girls would ask me out in the cab. I don't see the
They're
big deal.
intimidated.
They shouldn't be. I mean, I don't want to ask them out, but they can ask me
all the
out.
money you make, they're intimidated by that.
No, it's not.
If you have a
man.
job in Portland,
They
girls
don't
are
think-
intimidated.
Yeah, I mean, I don't like to go to bars. I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, if a girl doesn't want to meet me in the cab, then she's not going to have me, I guess. I'm sorry. That's how I feel about it.
All right, we're gonna
You should feel that
we're gonna
way.
let you get back to work, make that
So,
money.
yeah. Thanks
Make
a lot.
it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.